I first attended SPSCC in 2013. I was utilizing some of my voc rehab benefits as a veteran, and I had a really difficult and challenging time with it. I had some underlying PTSD issues that I wasn't quite aware of, and so I didn't feel safe on campus. I didn't feel safe anywhere outside of home, really. So I was a 13 Fox, or a fire support specialist. Any kind of indirect fire, so mortars, cannons, airship support from helicopters or fixed-wing aircraft, naval gunship support. My job was to find enemy positions and calculate, using a very similar grid system as the 3D printer, calculate their positions and call those ordnance in. I was really good at it. One of those things that felt like second nature. I wound up injuring my back and tried to stay in, but you have to be, deployable. You have to be able to put on the heavy gear and go out and do what the military needs you to do. So feeling that camaraderie and feeling that kind of protective bubble that is provided with, your battle buddies and your officers, and having that group to rely on, that was a new experience for me. I never really had that growing up, and I missed it. I missed it a lot, and it was challenging to cope with. I've always been a hobbyist and a tinkerer of things, and taking apart microwaves and turning them into, Lichtenberg wood burners that make fractal patterns, and destroying a lot of my mom and dad's stuff as a kid. And that's what I do in my hobby time. My whole garage is nothing but tools and workbenches and half-done projects. I came back to the school in 2018, and it's been a completely different experience this time for me. I endeavor to open up something kind of like the CMT program, but available to kids that are still in middle school and high school, as a sub-part of a custom mixed manufacturing materials company. So custom wood tables, metal sculptures, artwork, glass, ceramics, anything I can get my hands on, or anything a client could dream up. I love the opportunity to sit down and try and figure out how to make stuff. It's really comforting to find something that I feel an aptitude towards, I'm genuinely interested in, and seem to be excelling in all at the same time. So it's a perfect little culmination that the school's kind of provided for me.